In this video, we will show you two artifacts that were recovered from the Neva River in the Leningrad region of Russia. These finds have now become part of the collection of the Zinovy Kolobanov Museum of the Battle of Leningrad. The 76mm regimental gun model 1927 was a Soviet light regimental artillery piece with a 76.2mm caliber, designed for direct infantry and cavalry support. It was the first Soviet artillery piece to be produced on a large scale. The gun remained in production from 1928 to 1943. It saw active service in many pre-war armed conflicts involving the Soviet Union, as well as throughout the Second World War. Approximately 18,000 guns of this type were manufactured in total. Regimental guns were constantly deployed alongside infantry units and were used to quickly suppress enemy firing positions. As a result, they were highly valued and respected by Soviet infantrymen. The second artifact is a fuel tanker based on the ZIS-5 truck. It was recently recovered from the bottom of the river at a location where the famous Road of Life operated during the siege of Leningrad. The vehicle has numerous shrapnel and bullet impacts. It is believed that the truck was attacked by enemy aircraft and sank after falling through the ice on the river. Museum specialists decided not to restore these artifacts. Instead, they chose to preserve them in the condition in which they were recovered from the river, keeping the traces of their history intact. Thank you all for watching, friends.